What's the meaning of cashpoint? Cashpoint. Cashpoint.
Cashpoint. Cashpoint. The term cashpoint typically refers to a machine that allows users to withdraw cash from their bank accounts using a debit or credit card. These machines are often found in public places such as shopping centers, train stations, and convenience stores. Cashpoints have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and accessibility. They provide an easy and efficient way for people to access their funds without having to visit a bank branch or speak with a teller. Overall, cashpoints have revolutionized the way people interact with their money and have made banking more convenient than ever before.